How to fix freezing file copy progress bar in Windows. 1. Check your drive storage space. Ensure your device has enough disk space. 2. Run a chkdsk scan. Command, chkdsk drive letter, /f/r/x3. Disable Windows search service. Turn on write caching for external drives. 5. Disable remote differential compression and turn Windows features on or off. 6. Disable third-party antivirus protection. 7. Update all your device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 8. Copy your files in Windows Clean Boot status. 9. Reformat the drive to NTFS, if you can.